No, I got nothing to put it on. That is so cool.
I need to get a holder. I gotta slow it down or I'm gonna burn my battery up. Our booth is right behind there. I'm back out on the prowl. I already got myself in trouble, but I made a little money to soften the blow. But Scooter's running fine. Ah, rusted dust and grease, I love it. Got rid of all my hubcaps for Cadillac. And now I'm heading to the banyo. And I gotta go slow so I don't run my battery out. Whoa! That's cool. Oh. Yeah, the seats are the only thing I saw that I couldn't live without. But I'm going this way. I didn't go to the inside vendor part, which I'll probably take the scooter back. So I don't like to leave it sitting in there, because I haven't been in there yet. It's the only place. Apparently, if I go back this way, little off-road action. Here we go. Round, round, get around. I get around, yeah, get around. Is that the brick? No. She said there's a brick building. I don't think that's it. I think it's over here. Is it? Oh, there's a Skittle can. I'll take whatever I can find. I got 2 people watching. What's up? Here at the Hill County Swap Meet. I'm set up here this time. Oh, I didn't even go over there. Oh. Look at that 69442. Look at that. That is a beauty right there. 1 year off from my 68. That's a beautiful car right there. We got some Jeeps over here, more automotive parts. All right. Now that's what I need right there. Okay, guys. All right. Now I know nobody wants to see this part, so I will jump back on just as soon as I go. All right, here we go. Back on the prowl. Shauna's tending to the booth, doing the best she can with her knowledge of automotive. But that is a nice 69 442. I hope my 68 turns out just as nice. Starting to warm up a little bit out here. Not a lot of people out here yet, but like I said, mostly Cadillac people, which surprises me. gonna go off-roading again. Why? Because I can. Because I haven't been to that part back there yet. So. And now I gotta really sell at least the tires and the bumper because I really need the room. Sausage wraps. I brought stuff to cook. Make me some fajita tacos. But I haven't been over here yet. Got some old bottles. Let's look here. Any of those bottles you'd like to have, Mom? If you see them all, you can go back and come back over here. It's all Chevy truck stuff.
I just like that style of wagon. I got about 12 of them at home. I'll take it.
Let's go on down this way. Haven't been up here yet. I haven't been any of these yet. I don't think. I haven't been back here yet. I'm missing all over the place. For the win.
Yeah, I just got rid of all my German stuff. I grew up in
Oh, there's more back here. Oh, I've been this way. I gotta go around. That's a steep hill. That's a steep hill. I don't want to go down again. But I haven't been through all this over here. Oh, got all those motors here. Not what I'm looking for, but. Good morning, good sir. Doing good. Yourself? Hopefully it's not as hot today. Very quickly, too. You have a good day. All right. Oh my goodness. It's hurting a part of my body. I can't say on Facebook Live. So, holiday stuff. Yeah, I'm into holiday stuff. Yeah. Let's get down now. That pedal car is really cool. Chevy stuff. Old clarinet. Yeah. Wow. I need that sign right there. That's cool. I tell you one thing else is cool. Having your own scooter. That is pimping right there. I'm telling you. Let's see, is there anything here I need? Trailer connectors. Yeah, majority of that stuff I can get on eBay. Not eBay, but Amazon. Okay. All right. Go this way. Watch out for not getting hit. Oh, I've already been down this way, but I'll cut up through here. Or try to. Think I can make it through here. There we go. That's funny. Doop-a-doo-doo-doo. And I'm heading back over where Sean is at, 'cause I'm not seeing nothing else. I'll probably get a little something to drink, 'cause I'm thirsty. Oh, these bumps are hurting me so bad. So I'm just not seeing nothing out here. That dude looks like the Undertaker. Just throwing that out there. That guy looks really, really like the Undertaker. That guy's a spitting image of the Undertaker. Get closer on what? It's hard to see the phone. I'll take you around here in a minute. I'm grabbing my headphones. Sorry if I'm going too fast. Oh, bottles. All right, I'll go back over there here in just a second. Let me stop here and get some water, and I'll privately call you and put my headphones in so I can hear you. All right.